Hello friends, welcome back to English with Sayed. In today's lesson, I'm going to talk about while and meanwhile and which kind of differences there are between them. Before getting started with the lesson, I have two sentences in here. The first one, I will study these books while you waste your time. The second one, you went to school meanwhile I was at university. Before we know which one is correct, we should know the differences between while and meanwhile. And what are their meanings in the Persian language, I will tell you. So, at the first, I'm going to talk about while. While comes between two sentences. For example, I could speak English while I was 10 years old. The next one. And we are able to use while at the beginning of the first sentence. For example, while I was 10 years old, I could speak English. And the meaning of while in Persian language is dar halike. While means dar halike. And we are able to use while with just one sentence. For example, I was in America while studying my master's degree. I was in America while studying my master's degree. So let's know about meanwhile. Meanwhile comes between two sentences. For example, I am studying my bachelor degree, meanwhile you are working. And we always use meanwhile at the beginning of the second sentence. For example, I was making dinner meanwhile my wife was helping the kids with their homework. And the meaning of meanwhile in Persian language is dar hamin hal. Meanwhile means dar hamin hal in Persian language. So in this case, let's return to the first two examples that I asked you which one is correct. The first one, I will study these books while you waste your time. The second one, you went to school meanwhile I was at university. Both of them are correct.